Hello everyone, I'm Poonam Chaubey. I'm ready with your Geography Chapter 2 Globe, Latitude and Longitudes Part 1. Content of this chapter are globe. What is its meaning? Latitudes, important latitudes, heat zones of the earth, longitudes, longitudes and time, local time, standard time, time zones. But today we will see only three topics: globe, latitudes, important latitudes, and heat zones of the earth. Now we will see what is globe. Globe is a small man-made model of the earth. It is replica of the earth. Earth is spherical in shape and globe also represent our earth in same shape. It helps us in locating the correct shape of the features found on the earth, the shape of area of any continent, country, water bodies, etc. Axis. Axis is an imaginary line. Such a type of line is not found on the earth. It is an imaginary line, or where it is found, which passes through the center of the earth from inside the earth. It is not visible. On this line, our earth rotates or spins. And rotation of the earth is found, or this movement is on this line, imaginary line, which passes through the center of the earth, called axis. Two end point of this axis. Two end point of this axis are called poles. One is North Pole and another end point is called South Pole. Now, an imaginary line which divides the sphere, the earth into two parts. That line is called equator, which is marked with 0°. It is the largest latitude. It divides the earth into two half of a sphere, hemisphere. The part which lie towards North Pole called Northern Hemisphere, and the part which lie towards South Pole called Southern Hemisphere. So with the help of it, we can easily locate the places. I think all you got the meaning of globe, axis, North Pole, South Pole, and equator, Northern Hemisphere and Southern Hemisphere. As we saw, equator is the largest latitude which divides the earth into two halves of the sphere called hemisphere, Northern Hemisphere and Southern Hemisphere. So what are latitudes? Latitudes are imaginary lines run east to west direction between two poles. 0° latitude, which is the largest latitude and known as equator. These latitudes are also called parallels of latitude. See all the lines drawn on globe, and all lies parallel to each other, means these lines do not intersect. So they are called parallels of latitude. There are total 181 latitudes including equator. Including equator 181 latitudes, or excluding equator 181 degree to 90 degree latitude, which are marked with N, lies in Northern Hemisphere to the north of equator towards North Pole, while between 1 degree to 90 degree marked with S lies in southern hemisphere towards south pole from equator. As we saw, there are total 181 latitudes including equator. Out of it, some are very important latitudes. Why? You will understand in next topic. First we will see which are the important latitudes and they have been named. So these important latitudes are number 1 North Pole. These are real points and which are marked with 90 degree N. Next South Pole, which are marked with 90 degree S. With the help of these North Pole and South Pole, which are the real points, which are the end point of axis, the other latitudes which have been imaged. Next, most important 0 degree latitude known as equator, which divides the earth into two halves of a sphere hemisphere, northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. So we got 3. Next is 23.5 degree north, known as Tropic of Cancer. Next is 23.5 degree south, known as Tropic of Capricorn. After that 66.5 degree north, known as Arctic Circle. Next is 66.5 degree south, known as Antarctic Circle. So these are the important latitudes of the earth. With the help of diagram, you also learn the important latitudes and the number of degree marked with letter N or S. As you saw, out of 181 latitudes, few latitudes have been given names. They are called important latitudes of the earth. So they are important latitudes of the earth as they divides the earth into different heat zones. What are these heat zones? We will see the earth is divided basically into 3 heat zones. Number 1 heat zone is called torrid zone. Torrid zone which lies between important latitudes, Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn. Tropic of Cancer marked with 23.5 degree north and Tropic of Capricorn 23.5 degree south. Between them lies equator, means half part of torrid zone lies in northern hemisphere and half part of it lies in southern hemisphere. Then second heat zone is temperate zone, which is called warm zone. Means it is neither very hot like torrid zone. Torrid zone is hottest zone. This warm zone is divided into two parts. One is found in northern hemisphere between 23 degree 30 minute north to 66 degree 30 minute north, means between Tropic of Cancer to Arctic Circle in northern hemisphere, called northern temperate zone, and southern temperate zone lies between 23.5 degrees south, means Tropic of Capricorn to Antarctic Circle marked with 66.5 degree south. Then third heat zone is called frigid zone, which is the coldest zone. And it is also divided into two parts. Northern frigid zone lies between 66.5 degree north, means Arctic Circle, to 90 degree north, means North Pole in northern hemisphere, northern frigid zone. And southern frigid zone lies between 66.5 degrees south to 90 degrees south in southern hemisphere, between Antarctic Circle to South Pole. That is called southern present zone. So in this way, the whole Earth's surface is divided into three heat zones: torrid zone, temperate zone, and frigid zone. And all these three heat zones extend in both hemisphere, northern hemisphere as well as southern hemisphere. That's all for today. Thank you.